Daniel Odette here from Sigma Dogs. Today I just thought I'd show people on a product that I'm working on. I'm getting into the business of making dog training equipment. This is a lure coursing machine. For those not familiar with lure coursing, think of a greyhound type dog chasing a rabbit around a track. This is something similar in that it's a machine that pulls a piece of string that will pull a lure around a set of pulleys. Lure coursing is great to give a dog exercise. It's also great to test whether or not you have a good recall. So I have many motivations for building this. This particular venture will be, again, separate from my dog training company. I have a partner. My partner has a background in making equipment is a machinist of many years for a NASCAR team. He recently left their NASCAR division and now works for their Formula One division and is doing this on the side. What I have here, again, is only a proof of concept. The final product will look nothing like this. Right now, we're using one of our competitors' wheels. Right off the bat, a problem with it. It's not perfectly balanced. We'll have our own wheel that's machined out of one piece of steel as opposed to a wheel that's put together to avoid all of the balance problems. Our machine will probably be our lowest end machine will probably be as powerful as the most expensive machine from our competitors. And I'm going to give you a demonstration of that in a minute. It will work via remote control. Where the speed is entirely variable, and again, you'll see how high powered it is. When fully spun up, that wheel is probably turning at 5,000 RPM. The groove that carries the string, in a vacuum without having any weight behind it, is probably moving at around 160 miles an hour. The edge of the wheel is probably over 200 miles an hour. I've done the math for the groove portion. It was right at around 160. We actually might go to a smaller wheel to get more torque, because obviously dogs can't run at 160 miles an hour, and once you low down the weight, the speed's going to drop. By going with a smaller wheel, we will gain more torque and get better takeoff speed. But let me do the demonstration for you right now. Okay, I'm going to just spin it up slowly so you can see that I can control the speed very easily. Again, I'm just using this controller, and now I'm going to spin it up to show the power of it. You can also do electronic braking, as it'll go both ways, so I can just simply turn the wheel to slow it or stop it if I need to in a hurry. If a dog's chasing something and all of a sudden I want the dog to stop, I could have it spun up and then just turn it the opposite way, and it's going to stop the wheel almost immediately. Once again, I'll spin it up just to show you the power. If you've ever seen the show BattleBots on TV, we're using a very similar motor, and we're at 24 volts, which a lot of our competitors are running at only about 12 volts. Again, I'll keep you updated. Tomorrow I hope to actually do a field test with this to see what kind of speed I can generate with actually pulling, close to 1,000 feet of string. And we'll see how that goes, and we'll probably adjust the design from there. But again, when you see the final product, it won't look anything like this, and it'll look pretty radical. Anyways, have a great day. I'll give you the next update soon, hopefully. Talk to you later. Bye.